How to edit contacts in Google Voice. First of all, open your preferred web browser and go to voice.google.com. Make sure you are signed in with a Google account that has the contact you want to edit. Once logged in, tap on the call section from the left sidebar. Here you will see a list of all your contacts and call history. Next, find and select the contact you want to edit. You will see 3 dots in the top right of the call details. Click on it and from the drop-down menu, select the edit option or choose people to add the contact. You can now update the contact's name, phone number or other details as needed. After making the changes, click Save to update the contact information in your Google Voice account. Now you know how to edit contacts in Google Voice. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.